Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Research showed that some people get rid of their henna-dyed hair by soaking hair in acid like lemon juice, vinegar or yogurt. Remember, acid may also make your hair dry and brittle. So the best way to use acid is to add it in conditioner, then applies on hair. Repeat it with patience to get the complete the result. 4 December 2013.
Take our lead.
You cannot fully remove henna, but don't worry, it will fade over time. In the meantime, the best way to try to lift henna color is with a homemade, overnight oil treatment. Try extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, or argan oil.
Let's help you make your mark.
To use oil to pull the henna out of your hair, it is best, to begin with, a head that's been washed with a clarifying shampoo. From there, it's time to bust out 3 oils that hair loves: argan oil, olive oil, and coconut oil. 20 May 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Using a sponge, work vodka, yes, you read it right, through the hair and leave on for 15 minutes. Vodka helps strip off the henna by breaking down the metal salts into smaller molecules, preparing the hair for the next step. Leave on for 15 minutes, then rinse.
Let's help you make your mark.
Once the hair has been colored with henna, it is virtually impossible to remove the dye from hair. The dye is permanent and may fade very slightly through washes, but generally has to be grown out. The hair, however, can be lightened and brightened.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Baking soda and lemon juice can work together to lighten the henna dye and make it disappear faster. However, never apply baking soda and lemon juice to your face. Use half a cup of warm water, a full tablespoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.